guys, Angel down here at Indian Motorcycle Tucson. Today I wanted to share something really fun for you, and this might be a little bit on the geeky side, but we finally got mid-control kits from Kuryakyn for the Indian Scouts. So for some of you, you may have already been anticipating this accessory and waiting for it as anxiously as I have been. We've been waiting for probably a good year or so to get these kits, and we finally have them in stock. So I wanted to share with you the first time us actually opening it and taking a look at it and see if it's something that you want to put on your own Scout, or if you're in the market for a Scout, seeing if this is the setup that's going to work for you. To start, if you're unfamiliar with the Scout setup, the Scouts from the factory come with a forward control setup. So on this one sitting right next to me, instead of the controls being more of a 90-degree angle of your feet, you're actually sticking out a little bit further, which for a cruiser is very, very comfortable. However, if you want an aggressive stance or an aggressive positioning, then you really want that 90-degree angle so you can better have some ground clearance, some control over the weight of the motorcycle, and it feels more like a sport bike. This is also great for some of you that are waiting for FTRs and are just can't wait to get a little bit more aggressive in the corners. This kit is going to help achieve that. So first thing we see here are some nice, big, sturdy bracketing. Oh, this is fantastic. This is great. This looks like it might be perhaps the right-hand side. So that's great. Kuryakyn has really just stepped up the bar on accessories for the Scouts. This is a very well-manufactured part. This looks clean. The mounts look like they're going to work very well for the Scout and line up correctly. It's great. Everyone always thinks of Kuryakyn as like little chrome trinkets and whatnot. Well, now they actually make some pretty great practical items. Looks like we got another bracketing here. Now what I was anxious to see is we're supposed to be getting some, here's our hardware kits for all the proper installation. So from what I can tell here, based on the boxes and brackets that we have, we use this existing mount that's on the Scout and just relocate it further back, and it looks like this guy actually kind of brings it out and around your casing, so your feet are able to use your existing shifter, existing everything, and it brings you a little closer in. Now, one thing that can be kind of clumberous about the OEM Scout setup is this big, giant, goofy peg. So they do come with a lower profile peg to work with this system. So not only are you getting the relocation, but you're also getting the more aggressive peg setup. Comes with the kit. So that's actually really cool, because when you are getting more aggressive in the corners, those big goofy pegs are just not going to work out for you. See, those are fantastic. Great. And that looks like about it in there. Cool. This actually doesn't look like it's going to be terrible on install. We're probably only going to be looking at perhaps a couple hours of install on something like this. If you have any questions on having us install this kit onto your Scout, please give me a call here at the shop and either ask for myself or Phil. Look forward to hearing from you guys, and hopefully we'll have a video here shortly with the kit installed on one of our Scouts.